káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ farabalẹ̀, fídíò wà nílẹ̀ tá a máa play fún yín. Fídíò tó ń ṣò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa a máa play fún yín. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fídíò wà nílẹ̀ tá a máa play fún yín pẹ̀lú evidence kàǹbàkàǹbà nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Eniola Badmus àti Laide Bakare, bíjà wọn ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe lọ, gbogbo ẹ̀ la mú wá sétí ìgbọ́yín lénìí. Laide Bakare ó ń sọ pé Eniola Badmus ó ṣe máa rún òfin, ó tú pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀, ó tú pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́ àṣírí bọ́ọ̀ náà ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ lóníkúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀, òun la mú wá fún yín lénìí. Tẹ́yìn náà dẹ̀ máa gbọ́, tẹ́yìn náà máa wò ó. Mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ó ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjáyìn láti ilẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ẹ̀yin gan ẹ̀ mọ bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ wo àti ibi tó ti fọ́ tara wọn níbi tí ibi pátì tó lọ, àti tí Laide Bakare sọ, àti ìtó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn ìtó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn tó yẹ pé ẹ̀yin gan ẹ̀ gbọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa jàǹfààní lórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, bá a subscribe, kó like, kó comment, kó share. Wà á lè máa jẹ àǹfààní content yìí ní ìgbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi lè ta. Wà á lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ ṣe. Gẹ́gẹ́ mi sọ pé fídíò wọn àlẹ́ tà máa play fún yín pẹ̀lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ evidence. Ẹ wo fídíò ọ̀hún náà rèé, ẹ máa bá a ká lọ.
Everyone that feel disappointed about the reaction in that video, it was like planned to come out like that from Eniola's side, because she saw clearly that a lot of people, a lot of paparazzi were there. The camera was facing, and she kept truncating me back to back. She kept coming after me. She kept giving me serious body eating. So, guys, I'm really not happy. I'm really not happy doing this. And I have to do this so quickly because I know a lot of my people will not want me to do this, but I have to do this because you can't assassinate my character. Number one, Eniola Badmus, you are a devil. You are a devil. Ikanye, you are not okay. You are not all right. I am doing this video to actually explain my side, because one, yesterday you were able to do something because you did something to me. You came after me. You gave me serious body eating. I wasn't looking at you. I wasn't even noticing you because I don't want to. You noticed that I'm not giving you attention. You kept coming to where I am. I saw where everybody was sitting. I did not go there. I just stood afar, even a little bit from the party, because one, my leg was hurting, and two, I just feel like let me stay because of it's the body. So I stayed one side. I didn't really enter into the party like that. Do you know that this lady, this wicked Eniola, you ṣebí wọ́n sọ wípé sọ fún pé èèyàn kan irun orí ẹ̀ ti lọ, ito sọ fún mi, ito ṣe fún mi worst. You came into my DM, you insulted me. Ibi tí pé èèyàn ṣe insult mi rí láyé. Mi ò dáhùn, I never answered you. Mi ò dá ẹ lóhùn, I didn't answer you. Eniola, you are evil. You are evil. Eniola, you are evil. Èèyàn tí ò mọ̀ ẹ́. And let me tell you something. Ìkọ̀kan gbé inú ẹ lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ìkọ̀kan gbé inú ẹ lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, which I don't understand, and I want to believe that it is not even. I don't know. Why are you this bitter, Eniola? Why? Why are you this evil? Why do you like to put people down? Why? In my whole career, my spanning over 25 years, Eniola, this video is for you. I have known you. But one more, your year was year 2000. Year 2000 to this year is 25 years ago. I didn't just know you. You are not just knowing me. I'm not just knowing you. It's way back. There was a time you even pretended to have admission in University of Ibadan. We were in that school together. We've known each other since teenage years, since since we've known each other since under 20. Timothy Moe. Why is it the only person Eniola that to gbà f'Ọlọ́run lé lórí? O ko ẹni yẹn gan náà o gbà f'Ọlọ́run ni o. It is not like kì í ṣe pé bóyá ìfẹ́ inú ẹni. O ko gbà f'Ọlọ́run lé lórí is ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́jọ́ máa ṣe fídíò lẹ́njọ́ mẹ́ta tẹ́jọ́ ṣe fídíò. O ìyẹn náà kedere because she's a very wise lady. Ọmọ tó gbọ́n gan. She will use you when she needs to use you. Tó bá bí pé wúlò fún, no matter bad attitude tó bá ní, ó máa tolerate ẹ, ó máa pamper ẹ, ó máa gbà ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Somebody like me, I can't operate where there is hatred. I would rather move far. In that party, I did not see you. Eniola, I did not see you. You were the one you were looking into my eyes, giving me various kind of bad eye. Òun fún mi ní serious bad eye. Ojú burúkú ló fi ń wò mí back to back. Bó ṣe fojú burúkú wò mí. To me, it was giving different kind of meaning. Number one meaning is maybe, bóyá o fẹ́ parí grudge tó ti wà nílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Please stop calling me. This person calling me. Please stop calling me. I don't like this. Please stop calling me. This person calling me. Please stop calling me. I don't. Why are you calling me? I don't understand. What, like, you saw me on live video and you are calling me. Why? Kí má sọ̀rọ̀, kó má look like, kó má truncate image mi bẹ́ni wípé bóyá I'm the troublemaker. You people were there. Tó bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan, tó bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́ embarrass èèyàn, wàá ṣe with diplomacy. Ní ṣe that it was just too much that you were actually looking for something to make me react. And I reacted based on, it was a reaction to action. I don't like it. I'm a free person. Mi ò kì í ṣe wàhálà. I don't fight. I don't have friends. I don't have enemy. I stay on my lane. And I'm always happy for anyone. Tó bá ń ṣe dáadáa, I am always happy. I have gone to that event just to celebrate with the celebrants. She's made a movie. It's not easy to make a movie. Èmi mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ yìí láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà ní kékeré. I have shot movies. I've gone to cinema. I have gone to very ìgbà yẹn gbàtà wà ṣe ta kéré go National Theatre àti ẹni àwọn cinema yẹn ò tí come up nsìn. I know what it means to have your film and to want to convince people to come watch it. And it's a day of celebration. I celebrate with people. Even the people I've celebrated with in the past, I appreciate it or they think otherwise. I just move back. Okay, so to make this thing clear, I want to say exactly what happened. It was Eniola that came to my space. I didn't mean I did not know. As a matter of fact, you can ask anybody in that party. Mi ò lọ sí, mi ò wà lé ibi táwọn èèyàn wà, mi wà ní ibi tí gbogbo èèyàn jókòó sí. There are lots of people go to yakin key to yakin tea so ẹ káàsán ẹ káàbọ̀. I'm so sorry if I'm not you did not have classy. That's your problem. I'm not sorry if I'm so sorry if I'm not seeing all the messages, but I can react to it later. But I just wanted to explain what happened because a lot of people are calling me. I don't know why. If you call me, you asking me one question over and over again. I don't know. The best way for me. Thank you for the money gone. Thank you so much. The only thing for me is to explain myself because you put me out there. Why are you calling me? I don't understand. This person calling me. Boss, why are you calling me? I don't get it. I don't get it. You are very, you are like my family. Don't pay me. And you saw what happened. And, okay. Number one, I feel pain that someone that I helped to grow. Okay, let's even take it from here. Ṣùgbọ́n wípé you wọ bó ṣe wà atọrọ jẹ ní ẹ̀ náà Eniola. Atọrọ jẹ ní ẹ̀ ó tọrọ jẹ dé level tó wà yẹn ni. I could remember Eniola, you are a beggar. A lot of people that knows you, one wípé atache ló máa ń ṣe, anybody tó bá ti wà successful ló máa lọ ńlẹ̀ mọ́. It's because I dignify myself. Tí mo bá ní tí mi ò bá ní, nobody will know. Mi ò kì í ṣe social media person. Mi ò kì í I don't come on social media slay. I don't slay. I don't operate in that level. The only person Eniola want to mingle with or interact with or come about somebody, you have to be very successful. Kó ti jìyàjà, kó ti ṣe, kó ti attain stage kan. Ó like kó máa leverage lórí ìwọ tó bá ti ṣe dáadáa ní ayé. Fúnkẹ́ tó ń tẹ̀lé kiri lọ́jọ́ tèmi tó ń jọ ń ṣe fídíò tó jọ ń ṣe kò ṣe pé yẹn náà mọ̀ wá ẹ̀bọ̀ lady yẹn wà matured ó kàn fílẹ̀ ni. So many times Eniola ti wo àwọn ìwà tó yẹ kí lady yẹn má fi bá sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ táyé má fi parẹ́. Ìyẹn kàn fi mú cruise lórí social media ni because it's a game of number these days. It's a game of number. Don't come and drag me into something tí mi already àti ṣe. Don't drag me. I am too busy. I'm too serious for drama. I don't do drama. I don't like drama. Don't put me into drama. Don't. Why will you come to my space? You knew that I was not coming for you. You knew that I was on my own. You know that, in fact, at the point ago, people say why. If in case anybody don't know, we don't have to you. Ẹlòmíì lè rí mi kó máa wò wípé o Laide ò kí mi, kì í ṣe pé mi ò kí wọn, mi lè wojú èèyàn, mi ò kí lè wo èèyàn eyeball to eyeball. So ó máa dàbí ẹni wípé so tí bá dúró mo kàn máa èèyàn máa rò pé mo rí òun. Please stop calling. Èèyàn lè rò pé mo rí òun but mi ò rí yàn, so mo máa ń tijú. So mo àná yẹn mi ò tètè dé but I got there late. I got there in fact very late. Well, I didn't do any red carpets because I just wanted to make sure, I just want to honor that lady. Excuse me. Let me just put on this. I just wanted to honor Eniola. I just wanted to honor Eniola Jao. Why? Please, anybody, please don't call me. I just wanted to honor Eniola Jao and move. You kept coming at me. You kept coming to my space. I don't know why. And at a point, you kept saying, Koki shore me. Why are you telling the whole world? Why are you saying to camera, Koki shore me? My recording me. I said, Koki shore me. It was getting too embarrassing. Okay, she me ever saw anywhere? She me ever wa buy week? She me ever saw anywhere? Did I ever react? Okay, with everything you have done to me, with all your bully, with everything, and did I ever be there alone now? When you enter my DM to call me animal, and I did not even post it. That is almost 2 years now that you have done that. You have been, stop bullying. Am I want anything because you just feel like I will not respond anyway? Then your whole life, you are fake. You are too fake. Everything about you is fake, and you always need public validation. You will snap video or you snap photo. You will edit it. Wàá lọ ṣe surgery. Wàá ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Wàá máa wọ bomb. You will be wearing stuff just to look that part, to look so smart and beautiful. And you're like, your nakedness is horrible. That is one of your, I figure that is one of your problem with me. I didn't do no surgery. I did not wear makeup. Nobody that sees me real life, Thomas, if you see me real life, you just want to touch me. I'm that clean. I am that clean. You have been one-on-one. And like this thing started with you. Oti bẹ̀rẹ̀ madness here. You see, any to suffer with me, kò sí irun lórí ẹ̀. Any ẹ̀pẹ́ tó ń bú. Ọpẹ́ Eniola tó long sọ orúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún. Èyàn celebrate ẹ̀ rí o. There is one thing about you. Anybody, no matter what. In fact, when someone is even trying to push their jobs, you people, you know the kind of people you want to support. Thank you so much for the. Thank you so much. You know the people you want to support. You know the people you want to like their pages. You know the people you want to. But etimani predetermined mind that no matter what you do, we will not support you. So tí yóò bá ti fall sí category yẹn, mama, I'm not a social media person. It is not a crime. It is not a crime that I didn't grow up like that. I find it difficult to be snapping pictures, posting pictures every time, dressing up, slaying on social media every now and then for validation or for followership. The fact that I'm not in that your space, don't bring me down. Okay, can anybody, is it reasonable for someone of that, your age? Eniola, you are 45 years old. You are 45 years old. Àgbàlagbà yẹn ò kì í ṣọmọ kékeré. At 45, ṣó ya wèrè ni. At 45, ṣó bunú ni, ṣó ponú ni. The only thing tó mọ̀ ṣe ni wípé wàá máa troll èèyàn, wàá máa fúnyàn ní body ìtì, wàá máa lọ dídì máa bọ́ sọ́dọ̀ ọjọ́ tó bá gbà tó bá kọ́kọ́ ṣe. Your this madness started 3 years ago. When make so that everybody can understand my point and the cutoff and why we are here today. Eniola Badmus is somebody that I have known for 25 years. It is not somebody tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ̀ lánàá bí mo ṣe, but it's not 2 years, it's not 3 years, over 20 years. And the only problem with you is that the moment tó bá kàn lọ tó lọ sense wípé àbí ẹni yìí àbí tó kàn lọ sense ó kàn ní ibi success kékeré, orí mama fún ẹ, ara mama gbọ̀n, wàá máa lọ. Even this surgery tó ṣe yìí, don't forget that you have once told me that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà obese, ẹ̀yin gbádùn àṣẹ ìkọ́ tẹ́ ń gbádùn rẹ̀. Ìgbà tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ parí surgery yìí náà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ó ṣe bí wèrè, ó ń ṣe bí ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti yí, tó ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti kú. Kí ló tó ṣe ìgbà tí wọ́n kó ìfun ẹ kúrò ń bẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n kó brain yẹn náà mọ́ ni? Because ó ti ṣe bí ẹni tó ti kó ìfun ẹ, wọ́n ti kó intestine ẹ, wọ́n ti kó intestine yẹn kúrò, wọ́n ti wá kó, ṣé wọ́n kó ọpọlọ ẹ̀ mọ́ náà ni? Ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni? Ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni? Eniola, are you mad or something? Coming after èèyàn tó ṣe tí ò rí tí ẹ rò every time, thank you so much. Coming after èèyàn tí ò ṣe, I don't have it. When you came into my DM and called me animal, Eniola, you call me animal. Back in the days, in the early year 2000, with my own hard-earned money, I wanted to make a movie featuring Femi Adebayo, myself, another actor, Simi Olerantinsi. We needed a female lead. Thomas Sheyawe to compete with me that time. I was the one solely to cast here. When I cast you for that role, Eniola, you were ugly and fat, very obese. Acting yẹn gan ó ṣe ń polish yẹn nígbà tó ṣe ń dàgbà ẹni, charisma ẹ ò tí ì gbé acting yẹn gbà yẹn. I was the one tí mo sọ pé ìwọ ló gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe sùn. Movie yẹn, go and check Adùn Ewúro. Bóyá bitter leaf or something. Yeah, bitter leaf. Adùn Ewúro was your major first film. People that time marketers ló máa ń dictate. Because of my favorite, favorite, they will not sell that movie. Marketers were telling me that, why do you want to use Eniola Badmus? Number one, ugly. Number two, she cannot act. I'm not denying the fact that you act in CEO because you're about to for over 20 years. The guru, okay. So I'm not denying the fact that I don't really watch movies like that, but let's improve. But that time you were horrible. You don't look good. I gave you that platform, Eniola. You played that major role and people loved you. You played Femi Adebayo's housewife, playing that. And I will not even lie. I was okay, it was okay. After to she movie yẹn tán làwọn yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní realize wípé so lady wúlé bàǹtù yìí, so ó tiẹ̀ lè ṣe normal role, fine role. Tí mi ò bá fún ẹ ní platform yẹn Eniola, I'm repeating, tí mi ò bá fiesta movie mi Adùn Ewúro ń gbà yẹn tó jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn notice ẹ wípé òun exist. Your friend Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé tó ti sọ the thing God lọ́jọ́ tèmi, kò ní patronize kò ní máa pè é sí movie èèyàn kan ló ṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ó rí ẹ nígbà tí mo ti help career tí mo ti help life ẹ ni má fi mi ta yín má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ mi ló máa gbé sórí àtẹ má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ èmi Laide Bakare ní ìwọ Eniola máa sọ fún in public ló ń fún ní public embarrassment. You saw all these party bloggers bó ṣe pọ̀ tó. They were on you, camera was on you, light was on you, and you were telling them, you were saying, shut that camera, she's not my friend. Why are you saying that? You want to watch it, you want to watch space in me, in fact, me ò sí ní the call, me sí ní major àárín party, me sí ní party thing happen no. I was not there. I was one side between the cake, see. That was where I stood. Let me nìkan àti Shakira tajọ la dúró síbẹ̀ la kàn sọ̀rọ̀ mo jẹ́ lórí ìdúró mo kàn jẹ́ rọra mi mo kàn you know because I'm a very shy person so mo kàn rọra mi lórí ìdúró yẹn ni anybody tẹ́ ojú wa bá ṣe mẹ́rin máa lọ kẹ́ni tó bá yẹ kí n lọ bá lórí ìjókòó máa lọ bá wọn lórí ìjókòó Eniola mi ò wá bá ẹ ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wá sí space yẹn níbi tí mo wà yẹn just because you want to take a picture perfect images to cover that your ó ṣe bó sọ́pọ̀ ti sexy ó ti fine ṣe bikini shoot ṣé o lè ṣe bikini photo shoot ìdí ẹ ò dáa nakedness ẹ ò dáa your nakedness is work is kò ṣe é rí mo yin àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń get down pẹ̀lú ẹ mo yin wọn tó ń that is even tó bá wà tó ní pé if not kí ló dé tó bitter tó yẹn towards me why you what you did was to embarrass me publicly because that reaction to anybody that reaction yeah it feels like boya it will feel like I'm the problem ibi tó kò tó ń gbádùn mí nìyẹn pé why would you give me this kind of image I'm never like this it was you coming after me ekini ekeji eketa and Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rí mi pé mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣẹlẹ̀ kejì mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ ìgbà tó wá di wípé ó wá sọ pé don't recall me with her she's not my friend who the f are you tí mo fẹ́ bá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ṣé wọ́n sọ pé mi máa ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni sórí wọ́n mọ̀ mí náà anybody máa mọ̀ mí láyé Eniola ò mọ̀ mí pa nǹkan tó lè ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ni wípé ó mọ̀ wípé Laide ò ní liver àti ever tan camera kó make video you know mi ò ṣe rí ever this will be the first time I don't do it ó ti mọ̀ so kàn fẹ́ kí ló fẹ́ gain kó máa pull èèyàn down you slide into my DM you came into my DM you started just because there was a time we met in Abuja in the program and photograph was taken I posted a photograph of me and you because that was during my movie launch and I have a solo performance. I will be the only one on set. Solo performance, acting as a musician, acting as dancer, acting as a poet, acting as this, acting as narrator. I'm a thespian. So it means she's solo performance. You are rehearsal. Because I realized that a lot of people saw the picture you posted, you knew it was not bad. Yeah, I was in a rehearsal. Phone me. You claim you have been calling me that I should put down photo. I didn't see me or recall, but I went to put it up because if don't pull it down, you abuse the hell out of you. You insult it. Rather, you insulted the hell out of me. I want to get it, but you and your Latin, your bass sorrow, yeah, your bass sorrow, time, yeah. Okay, what's it me? Okay, I don't brag. I made you. Let me say the way it is. I made you. If I didn't give you that platform that year, nobody wants you in that movie. Talkless, because I completely draw. It was just because I kind of love your sense of humor. In fact, to me, if I'm to Latin better, I would say I'd rather be a comedian. In fact, you'll be far better than a lot of comedians that reason. Because you are a very funny person. I saw a lot of I saw that comic potential in you. La ṣe máa ń sọ, la ṣe jọ́ rẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn. Oh, wait on you come to public, you are saying you are not my. Eniola ṣe tí ó dàgbé ò get yẹn ṣá. Ajẹ́pẹ́ni tó ń kọ́ rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ máa sọ orúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún mi ò kí ń kọ́ rẹ̀. My family are my friends. Mi ò ń kọ́ rẹ̀. In fact, kò sígbà tí mo bá rí any of my colleague tó bá check on me àbí kò tiẹ̀ pè mí. Àǹtí Bímbọ́ Ọ̀ṣìn wọ́n sì pè mí just 3-4 days ago. Wọ́n ní Aláìdé mo ti gbúrò ẹ̀ ti pẹ́ o. Pé àbáwo ni ṣàlàáfíà ni. In my head, àmójúkò mo ní àwọn èèyàn máa ṣì wà o. Àwọn èèyàn máa dá o. Mo ní àti Bímbọ́ people are like that. Àwọn èèyàn but Eniola, when I wanted to when I was planning my housewarming party, ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ wípé ìkà ni ẹ́, ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé ìkà ni ẹ́, ejò ni ẹ́, èṣù ni ẹ́. Ìgbà tí mo design, mo kàn ṣe just the invitation, no, just the design ni mo design yẹn mo ṣe ń gbà yẹn o. I'm so sorry if I'm not reading comments now. I will read later. But I quickly want to say what I wanted to say. Then I'll let people talk. I'll really let people talk. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ ṣe design lásán ni mo kàn ṣe. I can remember. Eniola was the first person tí mo send invite yẹn sí pé Eniola sure mo ìyẹn kò ń ṣe building yẹn ò ń ṣe kíní kì í ṣe kejì kì í ṣe kẹta. But building yẹn kàn I don't post my life on social media. I don't post my children. I don't post anything about me. I don't really. Surely the little just because the page is not working. That is why you will just do any choice. Left to me, I'm not like that. Eniola, I know the effort. Eniola, when you go to any party, be personal photographer, only media here, only you want even in that party yesterday, you were struggling. Oh, wait for one must edit something. And you never ugly, no, the man she bang. Even the picture I posted, it was a picture phone. I even hardly have professional, but still, I hardly have professional photos. I know it's okay for brand to, leverage on this digital everything, but I'm not fake. Sometimes I just feel like I'm okay. It's how I feel from inside. I sent that invitation to you, Eniola. Just because I like you, ne. Then I see some people saying that she doesn't want to be your friend. If you talk like that, you were not born that time. Eniola come to my father's house. Eniola come to my So stop saying anybody that is feeling like she doesn't want to. Why would I want to associate with Eniola Badmus? Anyway, let me make it clear. So if it is this wahala Eniola ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú mi ni mò ń sọ, ibi tí Eniola ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wahala pẹ̀lú mi òun ni mò ń ṣe invest mo te kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ sọ. Okay, so I now sent the invitation to Eniola that I'm having my housewarming party. Eniola kò respond o ti mark o ti ka. She didn't respond. I did not know until 2 weeks after that because I was planning a party, so I was inviting people. Then later, I realized that most people, I want young, industry people. Oh, you completed. Okay, I'm so happy for you. I'll be there by God's grace. On Facebook, people give badge, or what do you give here? Then thanks TikTok for your gift. Thank you. Then Instagram, please. It's not easy for me to be doing this, please. And I'm not reading comment for now because I don't want to be distracted. And I'm not reading comment for that. I want to be later. I'll read it. Give badge if you are giving badge here, at least, because for me, I feel like I stoop so low. Because that's my. Explain that. But the video out there is not. The video out there is giving. No, now don't place me like that. Don't place me. Don't video that video. No. That is not me. That is not me. That is not me. But the reaction in the video is looking like I'm the troublemaker. Why don't you destroy image in your Eniola my nika? Ìwọ dẹ̀ ló wá bá mi, ìwọ ló wá ṣe wèrè tí wọ́n ló wá ń ṣe ayé le o. this lady is evil. Ìkà ni ẹ́, èṣù ni ẹ́, Eniola èṣù ni ẹ́. Anyway, let me conclude this. So but mo realize that Eniola Badmus tí mo send there sí kò tiẹ̀ react. And now message her later. Oh, he's still out of love. Eniola, I even sent my housewarming invitation party to you. Oh, tiẹ̀ sọ nǹkan kan. No verse. The moment even there is no verse here, mo ti di wípé no. Eléyìí she's not with the feeling. Then I was busy that time. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe pọ̀. So mi ò ríro. She didn't come. Ayé ò yọlẹ̀. Then later, I think later it was the issue of my vehicle. And I just feel like, it's not something to happen much often. Just say, share for your page. No, you are not posting. But when you can testify to about posting in 3, 4, 5 days. I'm report sick. I'm going to understand people you're busy. So sometimes they are like material to post. That was why I posted it that time. When I got my vehicle, that this is what I've always wanted, to match the color of my house. It was just like a rhyme, like something like rhyme that, the color of your new house, and you now bought vehicles to match color of the house. It's not something though. This same Eniola was the first person that came under my post to bully me. What is the meaning of that time? I realized I know how you people do now. They don't slay. Don't forget that they don't slay. Lori social media. Other people they don't slay. Don't fake like and love. Not any. So I realized at that time, you people were posting other people's achievements. You didn't post it, me okay. But you want to give me congratulations. Why today we think the only thing to she under post me, watch a mockery of me, watch a Peleo, Yalarin Lord. Kilon Jack Peleo, Yalarin Lord. How now? How? I got invitation, on this invitation. He wanted more send there, see. Exactly, Eniola. I just completed this house. Yeah, got to motivation and fun. But I'm most bye. Ìwọ yìí ló down, ìwọ yìí ló ṣe. Ìwọ yìí náà ni mo wá said but ìwọ ló wá come under my post wá sọ pẹ̀lẹ́ ìyá lárin lord. You even give me a call that you to call. Tó sọ pé tó bá Laide tí wá wá sílé mi ò ní jẹun o. Kí ló ń ṣe kí ni mo bọ̀ tó. Ó sọ pẹ̀lú bitterness. Àti ìgbà yẹn Eniola, you've been bullying me. You have been bullying me. The rest of your messages me gbọ́dọ̀ gbé bọ́ta. Kó lanu gbàgà ń pè mí ní animalistic behavior. How now? Kí la gbé lọ, kí la bá lọ, kí la bá bọ̀, kí la gbé, kí la jù. Mi ò bẹ́ ṣeré pa, mi ò bẹ́ ṣe kíní, mi ò how? The same way, o lọ sórí page ẹni tó kí o like post lady yẹn rí. Very calm and like godly lady to go to old man was godly by. And she's beautiful. Who they lost that comment here? We what maybe bóyá kò bá ti má bí ọpẹ́ yẹn ní ayé ọ̀la nú tó yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ti ní àwọn couple of times that she has posted things. And I said, oh, well done, to ti bá kò ti ní couple of times to ti comment rí, to ti rẹ́rìn sí nǹkan tó oh, ṣe rí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyí, tẹ́ bá ti wo fóònù ẹ̀yìn, tẹ́ bá gbàgbà àwọn tó máa ṣe slay yẹn. You know àwọn slay yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe nì. Ìwọ tó bá ti ń ṣe, tó bá ti sídìkà ti tẹ́bí yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ máa sùn ni. Not even ọ̀tẹ̀ ní stop àgbà alágbájá rẹ̀ gbà kó tẹ̀, wọ́n máa ṣe nìyí. Wọ́n ṣe máa ṣe nìyí. You have been seeing her post, I've been doing like this. She has posted so many wonderful, nice content, beautiful pictures. See, I saw oh, lovely, beautiful. Oh, regards to my kids. Oh, sorry. Until the day to Jáde. Tí kò lo irun àbí kọ̀kọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mi tí ẹ mọ̀ bí kíní ẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. And that was when you went straight. After I to bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní body shape me. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé fake body ni ẹ́, your body is fake. Oh, fake is not. Oh, fake. Okay, do shape bikini photo shoot. You can't open your body. Your body is disgusting. Oh, what disgusting. Oh, fine. Eniola, ugly. Oh, ugly. Eniola, this is me without makeup. This is me. This is me without makeup. Filter go only cover ugliness here. But look what she for me lánàá yẹn. Give me public embarrassment. People now sending videos like I'm the bad one. Why do you want to damage my reputation? Why? Ìwà àtẹnu àtìlẹ̀ jẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ẹ́, ó tọrọ kú. Kò sí kó tó kì í tọrọ. Same way, nígbà tí Davido ṣe bọ́ta anga yẹn lọ, ìwọ yìí náà ló máa lọ lé ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe. Same way, ìwọ yìí náà ló lọ fi ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ṣe content. You are so evil. Ìkà ni ẹ́. Mi ò tí ì rí. Of course, there might be a couple of industry here. We can't rule out the fact that people might just come after you, or people might just do stuff to make you aggravate unnecessarily because they just feel like. But not you and me. Even the partner when you're talking any issue, maybe almost 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, Eniola, what is the issue between me and you? Almost 25 years of knowing each other. We are not friends anyway. Don't each other. I can show you. Every time you are always calling me. Every time. I give more friendly advice now. So why will it now be that you want to back to deny we pay me call my friend breakthrough life? Me okay, me on siregun, please. People don't get it wrong. Me ki siregun, but she kò ní wà painful. But this is somebody to ko wele lórí to I am against all the advice that this lady, she's ugly, she's fat, she's not good. Don't use her in your movie. Don't use her in my movie. I was the first youngest producer. I've been producing movie since age 17. I'm a rich kid. But people should want industry. But I want a movie. I want to film. I want to film. I want to screenplay. I want to can you say this is my room? This is every. I want to live upside down. My parents accommodate. All love. I want to film. Pop see me. I need hotel. Time of filmmakers man low. Time man DC. Time art movie. My father buys the equipment, all this equipment that people they marry all this filming equipment. Anytime I want to one buy the highest way. My father bought it. We have cameras, we have lights. That was what father encouraged me. I love the job. I don't brag. I'm a rich kid. My family rich. The name of we don't just own house. We own empire streets. Ask we don't pay the Bakare close. Ask BSB Bakare Hotel. Ask where our properties are left and right. I don't brag. A lot of people might confuse my personality. Bikini, but tiju. Only tiju me okay. Then sometimes I might not be able to operate. He was even recent in the try that fagidi. You will see in my post. You will see in my I post a picture to me. Oh, you need to stop. Is the height of it. Eniola, I made you. I made you. I'm not bragging. I made you. Anytime to share movie, it was that movie, that singular movie. It's just like Jennifer she breakthrough for Funke Akindele. That my movie she did breakthrough in life, and because you played